Let's go over there and show them how it's done.
Oh, you don't want me to.
All that talk.
I know.
You talk a big game all the time.
I know.
My wife's getting on my ass.
I want to go on the dock.
I know.
I know.
Oh, too bad you don't go fishing.
Oh, I love fishing.
I like fishing.
Yeah.
I like fishing, but I don't like putting the worm on the hook or taking the fish off.
I don't like that. I don't like that part at all.
And fish are gross.
I just like to catch them.
Like, even just the smell of fish will make me puke.
Yeah, I don't like fish.
I know, it's ironic, but I don't like fish.
I don't like fish either. I really don't.
Maybe I've been wrong about myself this whole time.
But it's not even real sushi. It's like California rolls. They're not, it doesn't even have, it's just like vegetables.
Look at that water tasty.
Babe, jump in.
Yeah, jump in, Adia.
Hey, what's her nuts just died in a lake?
Who's what's her nuts?
That lesbian chick from Glee.
That lesbian.
Is she the one who made it with Demi Lovato?
She made it with Demi Lovato?
Remember when Demi Lovato was on Glee as a lesbian?
Yeah.
My pill popping alcoholic.
Titanic.
I know. I'm the. Oh my.
Right over. Right over the head. Throw it back. Hey, there's some dude over there standing
Yeah.
by the tree watching these people kayak. I'm coming.
Don't fall. The plane! It's a plane!
There you go.
That's your cousin?
Oh my god, how many times does she have to tell you?
That's Lulani's and Axel and Sage's aunt
Oh shit.
Hole.
or cousin.
Keeping it in the family, I guess.
I guess you are.
You can't post this because I mentioned other people's names.
I know. I haven't posted half of them. I just sent them to your mom. How high can you go? Can you go all the way over? Let's see you jump now. Jump. Adia, jump. 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 Jump.
I see people looking at me. I don't care. I'm having fun.
Do you take Adia to be your wife?
I do.
And Adia, do you take Ty to be your husband?
I do.
I now pronounce you husband and wife.
Marriage.
Married life, gang gang.
How scared are you guys?
I'm just afraid to see a snake.
I feel like we're in Blair
Is that
Witch.
shit?
I'm so scared right now.
Oh my god. You
Where are
such
we?
a girl.
I know. You're such a girl.
Such a girl.
Oh my god.
I don't want to walk through the woods. I don't want to get attacked.
You're gonna get attacked by.
So three different stories. Ticks are blood-sucking demons.
And so am I.
I know. Look who you're with.
Still want to
Look who the fuck you're with.
I'm not touching that with a 10-foot pole.
I'm not touching that with a 30-foot pole.
You remember that episode?
Yeah.
South Park?
Yeah, I'm not touching that with a 30-foot pole. Is it okay to do assisted suicide? I ain't touching that with a
Yes,
30-foot pole.
Jesus.
Yeah.
I'm not touching that
No,
one
with
with
a
a 30-foot pole.
And then chef, too. I'm not touching that with a 60-foot pole.
We're one with nature. See, your mom should be
One
here.
with nature?
We're one with nature, and she
Should go
ain't even
like
here.
this?
Here you go. Get in the water. Get in the water.
Tyler!
What's wrong?
Baby.
You gonna bake it? Oh my God. Come on.
We're coming. I thought it was I'm blushing. The irony of that.
What does this say?
The red one? The red one's a fire.
We used to always come up here for school. We go bird watching. If you guys are going to, then do it.
That's what I'm saying, Tyler. You have all the shit on you. Mister, let me carry everything.
Come on, babies. Is nature killing you guys?
No, but my vans are ruined now. Thank you.
Oh, shut up. They are not ruined. Look how beautiful this is, though. Look at
It's
this.
beautiful, but fuck that way.
Amanda, do you remember? We can put our shoes in the dryer.
I know. You can set them outside when it's this warm. It's going to dry just fine. You guys are a bunch of fucking babies is what you guys are.
Good.
We're a bunch of pansies.
I'm a baby.
Oh my gosh.
I got my dirty, Amanda. What is this shit?
It's called nature. Isn't it wonderful?
You made me fuck up my vans.
Nice pants.
I'm pissed.
Nice pants, by the way.
Shut up.
What is? Oh my God, the whining. Here, look at nature's corn dog. Idea, corn dog. Growing on the tree. Go ahead and try it.
Yeah, eat the corn dog, babe.
Yeah. You get in
know
trouble.
It's a felony to pick these.
I know.
What the fuck, you guys? And you got me. You guys are fucked up.
I love you.
I didn't know that.
Good job.
Babe,
I'm getting away from the scene.
the scene of the crime.
I think your fingerprints are all over it.
Babe, it's a dragonfly.
You should hear me when I see a snake.
God, I fucking hate snakes.
She was
Me
just
too.
talking about that.
Luckily, I've hardly ever seen one here, but every once in a while, and I scream, and then I have to
Oh,
explain to
man.
people coming at us.
There's actual snakes here?
Yeah, but hardly ever seen one.
Oh,
And they've always been really cool.
thank you for letting me know.